Micro-welding is used for wire and strip mounting. Due to the small thickness of the connected elements, about 1.5 micrometers for the sight and several tens of microns for the jumper, welding should be performed without melting the connected elements. Thus, all types of micro-welding are pressure welding. In this case, the strength of the joint is provided by the electron interaction of the surfaces to be joined and the mutual diffusion of materials in the solid phase, which, in turn, requires the use of plastic materials and the provision of close contact over a sufficiently large area. Since the necessary contact area can be obtained only due to the plastic deformation of the jumper, plasticity requirements are imposed on the material of the latter. To facilitate the plastic flow of the material, as well as to accelerate mutual diffusion, in all types of micro-welding. The connection zone is heated to a temperature below the eutectic, to avoid melting. Thus, all types of micro-weldings are characterized by a temperature in the joint zone of 300 to 800 degrees Celsius and a specific pressure of the tool of 100 to 200 N per square millimeter. The following types of micro-welding have been used in production: thermocompression welding, indirect pulse heating, electric one-sided welding, ultrasonic welding. The main trend in the development of micro-welding methods is localization of heat in the joint zone and reduction of heat exposure on the product as a whole, which allows to increase the welding temperature and apply less ductile materials, for example, copper, to bridges. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below the video. We will be glad to hear your opinion.